Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I am sharing a pig roast, how to host a perfect pig roast. So the first thing you need to do is pick up a pig. We pick ours up at a local farm that supplies everybody with pork, and they also sell these pigs. This pig is about, it's fairly small. I think it's about 40 pounds. So you don't want it to be too small, but you obviously don't want it to be too big. So then the next step is you want to salt it, and you want about 24 hours before cooking, and you want to salt it everywhere. We are inserting these little holes, and then we're gonna put actually salt right into those holes. So my husband was showing my son how to do this, so that's why you see 4 hands. Once the pig was salted to our satisfaction, I think my husband said you add about 2% to the weight of the pig of salt. And like I said, you want to put it in every crevice you can possibly put it into. And the pig is also already, but the spit was placed in it already. So once you have salted it, you finish attaching the spit, because you want the pig to sit properly in it. We are using these things that came with our large pig rotisserie, and we also use kitchen twine to tie everything up, just to make sure that everything stays in place, just as extra security, so it doesn't fall off, because it will shrink as it cooks. Once you're happy and you think your pig is secured, my husband and I sew the belly up with the kitchen twine. For the fire, my husband uses the apple wood and some charcoal, and you want a good fire, and you want your coals to be very hot before you put the pig on. So once you've got a good smoke going, you place the pig onto the spit. And this will take, I think it has taken us from about 10:30 till about 3:30 to cook the pig. At some point, I do know that my husband sprayed the pig with some beer. He was just checking to make sure how far it's done, and once we were sure it was done, my son rubbed fresh piece of bread on it, because that's the best part, and eat the bread. So that's it. And here is the food that I served with it. I did some homemade buns, some store-bought buns. I did 2 different salads. There was tomato, onion, and pepper and cucumber salad, and Caesar salad. And then we also had some schnitzels because we had a lot of people. And then there's the pork. Already people dug into it. My favorite part is the ribs, and I do love the skin, and I just served some baby potatoes with it. And my mom loves the head, which, yuck. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was, not for everyone, but, if you do decide to roast a pig, here's how we do it. Not saying it's the right way to do it, but this is how we've done it for many years. My husband's family has done it for many years, and this is the way we like it done. So thank you again. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.